What's up, guys? Today we are here with a broken iPhone 3GS motherboard. So I bought a new motherboard on eBay because the other one was broken. But if you're going to do this at home, I highly recommend getting an iFixit kit because if you don't have one, there's possibility of breaking it. So let's get right into the video. So if this video is not enough help for you guys, go to ifixit.com and just it'll give you step-by-step instructions. Also, you could slow down the video because this is sped up 7.5 times. So once you put the motherboard in, you may want to let it charge a little bit if it hasn't been charged up. But once you have it charged up, it should look a little bit like this. But yeah, here is a video of the office filmed from the 3GS. But yeah, so I hope this video helps you out, and subscribe.